Okay, now we're going to do some grammar. So you will need your page 175, 176. We're going to look at more verbs, past tense verbs. You will need your red pen, okay, because we're going to do some proofreading. So yesterday we did ran, run, came, come. Today we're doing saw, seen, went, gone, okay? The helping verbs, remember those, has and have, are used with seen and gone to tell about the past. Has and have are not used with saw and went. These verbs already tell about the past. So let's look at the examples. Grandpa and Jen went to the lake. They didn't have went to the lake. They went to the lake. They have gone there many times. So we wouldn't say they gone there many times. Okay, and we're using have instead of has because it's they. Jen saw some frogs on the rocks. Okay, because we're using saw, we don't need to use has. She has seen them under rocks too. So we wouldn't say she's seen them. Now, I have heard many of you say just seen, okay, without the has or have seen. So now you know if you're using the word seen, you have to put has or have in front of it for it to be used as a past tense verb. Okay, so now we're going to say each sentence using the correct verb, and you're going to write the correct verb on the lines below. If you would like to underline your verbs so you know which one is correct, go for it. That's a resource. That's what you can do. So number 1. Jen saw 2 deer yesterday. Jen seen 2 deer yesterday. I know some of you are saying seen, but it's saw because we don't have the word has, right? So Jen saw 2 deer yesterday. The 2 deer have went away. The 2 deer have gone away. Which one sounds better? The 2 deer have went away. The 2 deer have gone away. Very good, gone. They went into the trees. They gone into the trees. Very good, went. Okay, so now you're going to write each one on the line. So let's look at the back. You're doing this one on your own. It says write the correct verb in parentheses for each sentence. Let's look at the example. We went for a walk. We gone for a walk. Very good, went. So you're going to do number 1 and 2 on your own. Let's look at the proofreading. Okay, we're going to proofread this part of Mark's letter, find mistakes with 4 underlined verbs, and correct each mistake. The example says, Dad seen beavers by the pond, but we're going to correct that to saw beavers by the pond. So I wrote mine out, okay, and we're going to correct it. So when you hear something that doesn't make sense, raise your hand, just like in class. Hopefully I'll be able to see you. No, I'm kidding. Okay, so dear Grandpa, Dad and I have went to the pond many times. Well, do we use have and went together, or would we put a different word there? Very good. We don't put have and went together. We would put have gone, right? So we're going to cross out went and put gone. Cross out went with our red pen and put gone. We have saw many birds there. Yeah, no saw. What's it going to be? Seen. We have seen many birds there. Very good. Cross out saw, write seen. Yesterday, Dad seen 2 eagles. Okay, good. Seen's not working. We need to cross that out and write saw. Very good. Yesterday, Dad saw 2 eagles. We went fishing and caught 5 fish. I goed right to bed when we got home. Goed, not a word. Not a word. I've been telling you that from the beginning of the year, right? So we're going to cross out goed and write what? Went. Very good. I went to bed. Okay, so now you're going to rewrite that on a piece of paper. Make sure you indent. Okay, and we'll see you in a little bit for some phonics.